Hi everyone, this is Pranav, back with a new video. Today I'm going to be talking about how to install the new three public betas for macOS, iPadOS, and iOS, along with watchOS. Let's begin with iPadOS. Currently I'm on the developer beta, but there's a new public beta that is released. Head over to beta.apple.com and sign in. Or sign up. I've already signed in, and head over to the iPadOS tab. There's also these other tabs. You go over to the iPadOS tab, scroll down, and you can make a backup if you would like from the new macOS Catalina or from iTunes. Now let's head on and download the profile. Now the profile is downloaded. The profile has been downloaded. Let's open up settings. Here on the top left it says profile downloaded. Let's click on that and install the profile. Enter your password and click install. Now that the profile is installed, we can go over to software update. And here it says iPadOS 13 public beta, and you can just click download and install. And here it's downloading and install. Let's move on now to iOS 13. Hi everyone, this is Pranav, and right now I'm on my iPhone XR. I'm also on the developer beta for my iPhone, but now we can get the public beta on here as well. Head over again to beta.apple.com. And you can sign up if you haven't already, or just sign in. I'm going to sign in because I already have an account with beta. And now that we've signed in, here's where we can get the betas. Click on the iOS tab, scroll down, and click enroll your iOS device if you haven't already. You can create a backup in macOS Catalina or with iTunes if you're on Mojave or below. Just click install profile here and click allow. When the profile is downloaded, head over to settings and tap on the profile downloaded right here and click install. Enter your passcode and click install, and now you have the new profile for installing the public beta. Now if you click on software update, I'm already on iOS 13, but I'm pretty sure you need to restart to do this. Now that the update is over, I'm on iOS 13 as seen right here, and you're pretty much good to go. Now let's head on over to macOS. Hi everyone, right now we're on the Mac, and this is a MacBook Air from 2015, and it should be supported, and it's running Mojave right now. Let's upgrade it to the new macOS Catalina beta. Head on to beta.apple.com. It's right here, and let's sign in again. You can either sign in or sign up. Let's see, sign up right here. You just need to enter with your Apple ID. Now that we're signed in, here it is, the macOS section. Let's scroll down and enroll our Mac. It says you can back up your Mac, but I feel like it's really laborious. And just simply check that all your files are in the cloud, maybe. And just click download the macOS public beta access utility. Now you can find the file. I have it right here. This opens up, and you can choose to install it on a partition, as I did with my other Mac. After you click continue and agree to the agreement, you can pick the installation location, But this doesn't really matter, as this is just a profile. When you're actually going through the installer application, you can choose which drive to install it on, such as the partition. Let me enter my password. Here's Feedback Assistant. Greeted that the installation was successful. Let's close and move to trash. Now, if we go to software update, it's checking for updates. Just close out of Feedback. Now we're in the software update and it's checking for updates. It says we're on. Yes, here now it loaded up macOS Catalina beta. And let's click upgrade now. After this installs, you should be in macOS Catalina. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We talked about how to install the new OS coming this fall on 3 different platforms: iOS, iPadOS, and macOS. Be sure to like and subscribe if you loved it. Thank you for watching. I'll link the timestamps for each OS below, and also the link to where you can download this, beta.apple.com, below. Bye.